Rice and beans cooked together until very soft with an indigenous seasoning known as kaleidoscope, plus extras like gari, wole, talia, fish, meat, and served with pepper sauce and stew is the food called Waakye. Waakye originates from the northern part of Ghana. Now come with me, let's explore the
Waakye has a mass following, cutting across socio-economic status and can be eaten for breakfast, lunch or even supper.
The seasons are ripe to set ablaze the fires of our lives. I see my people lifting their lives again. Shine or rain, beloved, hope Jojo, Apo. You're fit to Kunduma watch it as a photofia.
By the way, if you crash you, me say me nim I have by property. Tete no na di Waakye. Answer na me de beba no me de 2 inch you na ma okoro. Answer na me de ma hata so na me ba. Obi abeto bi ami me napkin na me dia paper. Ade a wo mu bia say area bi wo mu a ebe say we no fine say rubber. If say habane duro wo mu pa.
Initially, it was served in its own unique indigenous leaves, which some consumers still prefer because of its medicinal purpose. The meal has a magnetic power which is eaten with a certain community feeling.
You see the way the beans are separated from the rice, so it's making the whole thing very nice. You have to come here every Saturday to eat just Waakye. Because like the ginger drink, for instance, you cannot prepare it at home. So you need to come to a special place like this on Saturdays and Sundays. To drive all the way from Tama to Accra to eat only Waakye. It's not just a mean person. So it's good to eat Waakye. I enjoy eating my Waakye at Auntie Mumi every weekend.
The way they prepare their food too is beautiful. And you can see that there are a lot of people also who come here because I'm sure they also appreciate the goodness of the food. And I used to frequent this Labone estate. So anytime I come around, I used to come to enjoy myself for some few minutes and then I go back.
Most consumers travel far and near to enjoy the celebrated recipe of Waakye. For others, it is a constant weekend feast. A delicacy which has all the nutrients one will require in a balanced meal. It has been eaten for decades and is still the most enjoyed delicacy. You'll never know, maybe it will be served on international airlines in the next decade. Too far? Let's see.